Today in this video we're going to see how to create an N8n workflow from basic. So for the first we have to create an N8n account and click a new workspace. So there are multiple types of invoking a particular workflow in N8n. One is triggering it manually or invoking it through a particular link. Let's get started with the manual triggering. So to add a manual trigger, click here, the plus symbol, and trigger manual, the first one. So this will be a first step of executing our workflow. Today we'll create a workflow which classifies our emails as important or not important by fetching them and adding them to Google Sheets. So let's do that. Yeah. Now we'll add, so we have added a manual trigger. Now we will be adding the function like to fetch our Gmail from our particular mail account. So click plus and then search for Gmail. Yeah, here it is. So what we are going to do, get a message means we'll get only one particular mail. If we select get many messages, that means we're going to get the number of messages which we request. So we'll click this, get many messages. So in Gmail account, you have to authorize with your particular mail ID. To do that, click create new credential and do sign in with Google. I have already done it, so I am using this resource message get many. So the limit is 50, we'll reduce it to 5 so that we'll get only 5 mails. Now execute the step. See, I got my last 5 mails. Now what we are going to do, pass it to LLM and check whether they are important or not. So an AI agent, we'll use an AI agent. So what we're going to do, click define below to give a predefined user prompt. So I already have a predefined user prompt, which is, wait a second, it's not equal. And this is my predefined user prompt. Yeah, we have added it. Now what we are going to check, like the snippet, right? So the user defined prompt is, you're an enterprise smart notification agent for campus automation. Your task is to, for each mail, generate a file and summary, extract action redline tasks, and classify category them. Our outputs will be in a format of summary, category, and action and urgency. So to check that, we need the snippet, which is the message that is present in the mail. So we'll add it to the prompt. So with this predefined prompt, the summary, like the message that needs to be checked, is also going. So now let's click here the chat model. So in chat model we have Google Gemini chat model. For free we will use that Google Gemini chat model, and 1.5 flash is suggested version because it works well. And yeah, so let's execute our workflow till now. Manual, we are getting all messages. So we kept the limit to 5, we got 5 mails, and yeah, the 5 mails are now processed. Now what we are going to do, let's see how the output came. See, we got the output in a table format. Now we are going to split the table into 5 particular items. For that we need this section called code. Yeah, code. In code we are going to write JavaScript. So this JavaScript use function will turn these 5 items into 5 different items. Like they came as in a single table, we are going to split them. Let's execute this and check whether what we'll get. Yeah, see how we got. We need the same number of items, like the category, the urgency, and the action to be placed in a Google Sheet. So we don't need to write the code, we'll just ask AI I'm getting 5 items as output. I need to separate them and generate me 5 outputs dividing with the category based on the separator slash n. Yeah, let's check whether this work or not. No, category mgmt. Why? Yeah, I searched an AI tool and it gave me this is not working, so we'll replace this with this code. Yeah, we are going to map the particular output we got, which is summary and then category urgency action. Now we'll execute this step. So we got summary, category, urgency, and we divided into 5 particular things. The next step which we are going to do is add these into our Google Sheets. So we are going to connect a Google Sheets with a particular N8n model and append row in sheet. Yeah, like we'll be having an Excel sheet with particular column names, summary, urgency, action, and all these, and we'll be appending the row for the particular Excel sheet. So append row in sheet, yeah, sheet within the document and from list. So I have created an document. Yeah, we'll do that too. Google Sheets. So this is my Excel sheet. So I have ran this automation tool before, so I'm going to delete this rows and see I created an Excel sheet having the 4 columns summary, category, urgency, and action. Now we will append these particular results in this particular sheet. So document is email classifier, as you can see the name. Next, from list, sheet 1, which is this one, sheet 1. Now it has columns summary, so we are going to drag summary and place it here, and for category drag and place, and for urgency drag and place, and for action we're going to drag and place them. So when we execute this step, these particular 5 inputs will be appended to our Excel sheet and we can see them. See, they're appended. Now we'll delete these and again test for rate limit 10. So limit equals to 10, set, and we'll execute the workflow. Let's save, don't forget to save, and let's execute the workflow. Send 10 items to our AI agent. Now our Gemini chat model will classify them. After that they'll be sent to code. After that these 10 items will be sent to Google Sheets and they will be appended. And see, we got them, got our mails, and that's how N8n automation work. And this is a basic and simple one. In upcoming videos we'll work with them which are complex and that will be easy to build. Yeah, thank you.